Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do arm jive lunges. So knowing how to do an arm jive already would be really helpful. Knowing how to lead footwork would be really helpful. So I'll put links to videos that cover those topics in the description below. So it's easy and quick for you to go back and have a look at them if you want to. But the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. I'm going to show exactly the same thing from another angle, so you get kind of like the opposite view of it. So it looks like this, goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Most useful reason for having this in your repertoire is it allows you to put a lot of emphasis on 1 or 2 points, because where and how many lunges you do is up to you. So you can emphasize something that maybe is standing out in the music. So let's break it down. Starts like a standard arm jive. We go semicircle back, 2 hands. We go left and a right. Then we do the next step. We're going to make it longer and deeper. So we get a big lunge. And we're going to do the same again on the next one. Big lunge. Then we go back to just a standard prep for the turn. And then you finish as usual. We'll do it from the other side and we'll talk numbers. So it goes back to 2 hands. 1, pulling left 2, pulling right 3, lunging 4 and 5, prepping 6, turning 7, facing 8, returning 1 and back 2. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, arm jive lunges. It's offer. Left, right, lunge, lunge, up, turn, face, return and back. Hope you like that. Hope you find it useful, particularly from a musicality point of view. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. Notification bell means if you have notifications turned on, you will always be told when a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. One of the windows will head you off to a music video, which would be good for this. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.